Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, can we overload final specified methods in child classes in Java? The answer is yes. In Java, the final specified methods created in the parent classes can be overloaded by their child classes. Overloading of such kind of final specified methods of parent classes can be done in the child classes without any problem in Java. Java will allow you that. But if you ask someone that can we override the final specified methods in the child classes of Java, then it will be no. Answer will be no when overriding comes into picture. But can you overload the final specified methods from the parent class into the child class? The answer is yes for overloading, but no for overriding. Let me practically demonstrate this one for you. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and create a new class here. I'll just create a new class. I'll just name this class as class P. Okay, click on finish. Inside this class, I'll create a method that is a public void sample method. Okay, and I'll just write a sample statement inside sample method. I'll write and I'll specify the final modifier before this method so that this method becomes a final method. And this final method is created inside the class P, one of the class P. Now I'll create one more class. I'll just name this class as class S, let's say. And I'll make this class S a child class of class P, like extends class P, I'll say. Okay. Now, in this child class of this class P, if I create the same method, public void sample as it is, you see, I'm getting an error. Why? Because you cannot override the method which is specified as final in the parent class. You see, this class S is now the child class of the class P, and class P parent class has already a method which is specified with final modifier. Such kind of final modifier methods cannot be overridden. The same duplicate method cannot be created in the child class. Hence, overriding is not possible. But what if I differentiate? You see, same duplicate method is there in the parent and child class is not possible. When the parent class method is a final specified method, this method cannot be overridden or duplicated in the child class. But what if I create one parameter here? Then the error will be resolved. No more, this particular method is no more a duplicate of this method. Why? Because though it has the same name as the parent class method, but the difference here is it has a different number of parameters. So this is overloading is, okay, method having the same name, but different number of parameters is called as overloading. Okay, so we can overload the final specified methods from the parent class into the child classes, but overriding is not possible, but overloading is possible. So hope guys, you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration. Can we overload final specified methods in child classes in Java? The answer is yes. Overloading of final specified methods in the parent class into the child class is possible, whereas overriding of the final specified methods from the parent class into the child class is not possible. Overriding is not possible. Overloading is possible in such kind of final specified methods. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.